Hello students, welcome to Digital and Social Media Marketing Module 4, Search Engine Optimization and other key factors and their understanding SEO and what are the strategies required for SEO. So let us understand what exactly search engine optimization basically. Whenever any consumers or any in particular people want to search for their needs and wants through online activities, the people go for search engines. So naturally Google and MSN, Yahoo, they go for the search engines. They go to search, and whenever if they want any information, they're going to search from their particular search engines. Whenever they search for any activities or any products or services, whenever the organizations make more traffic for their in search engine optimization, then they will get the more and more pay per clicks or more and more sales for their organizations. Priority websites will get more and more sales, and other list of websites will get the very less sales. So that is a search engine optimization concept actually. So here, what is why the search engine optimization is required for an organization? So it doesn't mean that rather keeping your organizations or websites keeping it very low traffic, the people will not come for more and more clicks, more and more search, more and more sales will not happen for your organization. Today is an era of digital marketing. You need to have, an organization must have very good optimization categories or very good optimization for their websites, and have to bring them more and more traffic for their websites, so that in search engines, the moment they get more and more ranks in the priority ranks, they'll get more and more sales in this organization. Today in digital marketing or any organization, if they are not they are not working with the online activities, they are out of the track today. So they are out of the market today. So it is if it's a drawback for the organization if they are not working with the online activities or digital marketing activities, irrespective of any organization, maybe college, maybe today it's essentials like kirana merchants, and any small vendor also can be come through online activities, and they can sell, and they create a more and more traffic to purchase or make them to purchase more and more sales and services in this digital world. So it is, and a search engine optimization is a long-term marketing strategies for the organization. It is not only a day one or day two, like we can just create a website and we can stop it. No, it's not like it happens in 1 or 2 days. It will be a long-term optimization. Keep on updating, keep on adding the more and more features for the websites. So that will give more and more ranks, more and more traffic, more and more sales, and more pay per clicks also will happen more for your organization. So what is SEO in digital marketing? SEO, search engine optimization, digital marketing means it will give more and more priority for your website whenever people who searches in any search engine or search engine websites. For example, if the people who search for something like hotels nearby me in search engine, doesn't the your organization must show the first rank in the search engines. For example, if I show hotels nearby me, for example, take a hospital, the Hotel Malgi or Hotel Royal Orchard must take the priority in giving the ranking, so that the people will search for, or people will click only for the first rank websites who appear in the in the search engines. So that's a mentality who are consumers who are having it. If the ranks are lesser in the search engines, people will not go for the clicks. So if people are not going for the clicks, it means that people and your organizations are not getting the more and more sales. So here, search engine result based. So I'll take an example here. For example, if any organization with a website of not showing any kind of arrow marks, signages, pictures, products, images, or small videos, if they are not having any kind of this, and maybe the plan B, the organization B or the company B having all these things, but they are having all the signages, all the navigation, roadmap, videos, and all this it shows it's optimized. The website is more optimized, the other website is less optimized. So that is optimization characteristics must have in any organization. So here the search engine Result page, I said. Result page means like, the companies or any customers who searches for any needs or wants in the search engines, the priority, the ranks must be higher in the search engine, so that you will get more and more sales, as I said you before. And what is search engine friendly website structure? So here the friendly website structure means the person who will search for any organizations, you should not feel very clumsy in using any kind of websites. It should be give more and more navigations, more and more instructions, more and more GIF files, more and more pop-ups, so that they can easily go through your website and you can clicks and easily can understand, through your website links, because everybody is not, digitally literate today's world actually. If even common layman also can you must use your website. You have to create websites, or you have to create your engines in a user friendly way. That is all about, so that you will get more and more optimized, more and more sales, and more pay per clicks will also happens. What are the key phrases here? Key phrases means, or keywords. So what exactly key phrases and keywords means? What exactly going to use in your search engines? That's more makes more important to get attract your for your website. Take an example. If your organization is all about detergent cakes and stain remover, so in a such a way, for example, it happens in house, while pouring into your glass, or pouring into your juice is on your table, so suddenly the juice will fall down your table. Oh, it means that you have to look for the stain remover. So you have to use a keywords in search engine. What exactly you have to keywords use? Tablecloth stain remover. So you have to use tablecloth stain remover. So that is a proper keywords you need to use, while in search engines, so that you will get a proper websites who are really offering this kind of services in the today's market. So key phrases are very important. You need to add such keywords or key phrases for your websites also. If people are searching for any kind of hotel, you need to give hotel. You have to give keywords, repair, what repairer is nearby me, or a plumber near me, or electrician nearby me. You should give such kind of keywords in your website, so that people who whatever they search, it get attract towards your website. That's called keywords or key phrases. And what is link popularity? Link popularity means, for example, any kind of famous websites will have two types of link popularity. The one is internal link popularity, one is internal link interlinks, and one is external links. If any website is having a more and more links, internal links, so definitely they have to create it. If any through their website, they have to go with the other links for their next process, and next process of sales, and next process of any usage, or for your next searches. Such kind of things, internal links will help you from branches to, or from their product to next product to next service, and next process and all. And external links, some external links and external people also attached to your websites. If more and more external links are attached to your organization, that gives more and more link popularity. And so that such more link popularities will create more and more pay per clicks, and more sales for your organization. So these are all about basics or introduction of search engine optimization. And in next classes we'll discuss about more details about digital marketing. Thank you so much.